Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change the search engine and choose your default on the Opera browser. First, open the Opera browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the search engine option. You can change your search engine, which is used in the address bar in the normal window and private window. Let's start and change the search engine and use the Google search engine. Let's check if this works or not. Try another engine. Now use the DuckDuckGo engine. Now, try the Amazon engine. Let's try the Bing engine. Finally, use the Wikipedia engine. From the Manage Search Engines and Site Search option, you can add, edit, modify, or remove any search engine. Add site search. Fill in the search engine name, the shortcut for it, and the URL for the site search.